Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would share with you a little bit of how I decorate my coffee station for Christmas, a little bit of organization, and a little bit of a vlog style type of video. I hope that you enjoy, so let's get started. Alright you guys, so this is what I'm working with, the space that I will be making for my coffee/tea station. I like that I have like a bigger surface area to place everything, and these are the items that I will be including into the coffee station. I thought I would show you what I have before I start decorating it. So this is not a coffee station item, but it's already done, and since I'm showing you my Christmas already done, I thought I would show you this. This is for my dog, little dish for his food, and it says Feliz Navidad, which I love. I thought it was pretty clever. I did not get anything for my cat just because I didn't want to spend the money for it. And then I love this big bowl. It says gingerbread. We will be making gingerbread cookies here. And I also found this beautiful painted platter or plate. It says oh snap, and it's a gingerbread cookie. This is a candle in the scent of evergreen mistletoe, and it says jingle bells. And I also found a birdhouse. This is an acorn birdhouse, and it says peace. And then I grabbed this mug. It says tis the season, and it has the red interior. And then this one that says naughty or nice. And then this one says Merry Christmas. I just love how these cups are like, they have like the little lip over here, so it fits perfectly in your mouth when you're drinking from it. And then this one says believe. And then I grabbed another candle, and it says Merry Christmas and the scent of Christmas tree. And I found one of these little gift packs. This one says joy, and it has the green lettering. What else? And then I've had this little tree for a while. I want to say at least 2 years, and it's a candle too, but I can't open it. And this was from Target. No, I can't open it. And then these are other of my mugs. I have the marshmallow mugs over here. And then this little red car with the Christmas tree on top. This is from Pottery Barn. And then this year I purchased this cute little gingerbread men. It's more kind of like a very light pink. It's not really like brown, but I still loved it. And this is from Target. This one I've had also for many, many years, and it's the Grinch. I cannot remember where I purchased this one. I think I grabbed it from Barnes & Noble though. And then this is another Target mug that I've had for many years, and it's a cute deer. And then this one I purchased last year or the year before that at Hobby Lobby, and it's a little s'mores. You can see the graham cracker and the Hershey bars, and then 2 marshmallows all placed like a little snowman. I love this one, and like I said, it's from Hobby Lobby. And then this one, I can't remember where I got it. I think at Meijer, which is a local grocery store here in Michigan. And it's just a little snowman. This one I absolutely love. It's Frankie in a little sweater, and I think I got it at Papyrus. And then Charlie Brown and the Peanuts, everybody, the whole gang. I also have a couple of signs. Peppermint Lane. This one is from Target this year. It says Gingerbread Baking Company. And then the milk and cookies. And then this shiny, glittery Mary sign. I also have this one from Hobby Lobby. All you need is love and Christmas cookies. And then these smaller ones, I'm going to be using for a 3-tier stand. Warm up at the cocoa bar. This one I grabbed a while ago, not this year, at Target. And then this one was from the dollar store last year, I think. And I have this sign too. It's a hot chocolate kind of day. This metal sign from Hobby Lobby, hot chocolate. And then I still need to find my other stirring spoons for like coffee and stuff, and they're kind of dirty, so I need to wash them. And they have like a little peppermint candy at the tip or at the end, and some sprinkles and some peppermints. A lot of this stuff is dirty, you guys, so I have to wash it. But this is the little topping for this cocoa mug. I love it. It's supposed to be a salt and pepper shaker, but I just use it for my coffee station. And then this plate, and another dirty thing. This is a little cookie bear that I got from Target, I want to say. No, I got at Marshall's. And then this adorable cookie truck with a little tree at the back. And then that candy cane tin sign. And yeah, that's it. So this is how it's looking right now. So over here is where I normally have my coffee station set up. But like I said, I want to move it over here and see how that works. And if it's not going to work, then I guess I'll just have to keep it over there. But I'll show you what I have over here. So this is my coffee station. I'm sure if you follow me, you have seen it a lot of times. And this is what I normally would decorate for the holidays. And I have here the last of my Christmas mugs. This one was my recent purchase, besides the Dunns, but I couldn't pass this mug at all. I love how classically beautiful the Grinch is. It is very true to the original movie, but what I love the most is all of the little Who people, the Who village, at the very rim of the cup. I love this mug. I got it from Williams-Sonoma, and I'm really horrible at taking, I haven't used it, but I don't take the tags. I forget to take them off. This one, it is from Crate and Barrel or Pottery Barn. And it says, "Oh, what fun," and a little cursive and candy cane writing. And I love this one too. This one was from last year. I also have Mrs. Claus and a North Pole from Dunn, and a beautifully dimpled shiny golden mug over here. And over here I have a swan, and this reminds me a lot of the Nutcracker for some reason, and it says "Swan of a Kind." And then at the very back I have some coffee pods over here, and this is my coffee maker and the 3-tier stand with the sugar and cream containers. And then I grabbed these 3 containers or bottles from the Target dollar spot because I want to decanter my syrups. I have the peppermint, caramel, and pumpkin pie, and also a pumpkin pine syrup that I might be using. So yeah. Turning out, but I do not like it. I don't know, I feel like everything looks too cramped, and I had envisioned it like I thought I had more more space for it, but I just don't like how it looks. I'm thinking about changing these mugs to this stand over here. I don't know. So I already decanted the peppermint syrup, and now I will do the same to the other bottles or containers. And like I said, I am using the pumpkin pie spice just because I have been enjoying it so much and I still have a lot left. And then the next one to be decanted is going to be the sugar-free caramel syrup. I also really like this one, and I usually don't drink anything that's sugar-free because I know it's not really good for you, but I will make the exceptions for the holidays. And now what I am doing is just writing with my chalk paint a little label so that I know which bottle belongs to which syrup. Some of the things that I absolutely have to add into my coffee/cocoa station is some peppermints and then some festive Christmas sprinkles. And this big container I will be adding some of this cute snowman marshmallows that I found at TJ Maxx. I couldn't find the regular circle peppermints, but I did get this mini candy canes that I grabbed from Target, and also these cute peeps in the shape of the gingerbread man, and I thought that I would be adding one of them into the marshmallow canister, just a single a single gingerbread man. I think it would look super cute, and then just fill the rest with the regular marshmallows. So now let's move into the two-tier stand decoration. I wanted to add the cinnamon powder into this beautiful cocoa mug with the cream topping. It is actually a salt and pepper shaker that I grabbed last year from Target, and I'm just trying to add the powdered cinnamon into the little tiny hole in the whipped cream. I swear I have a funnel for spices, but I just couldn't find it. I am also missing a couple of peppermint wooden spoons that I grabbed from Hobby Lobby, but I could find two, so that's what I'm going to be using. And everything or most of the stuff in this two-tier tray I already had from last year, including this cocoa container that I will be filling up with the most lovely and delicious Mexican hot cocoa powder. This one is by the brand Abuelita, and it's one of my family's favorite. I, as you can see, only have a little bit left. I will be repurchasing wherever I see it. I think I saw it last at Walmart, but yeah, I wanted to add the cocoa powder of our choice and preference, including this cute little wooden spoon so that we can scoop it out and put it into our hot cocoa. I also grabbed this sprigs with pine cones from Target and this cute little currants or cranberries that are frosted from Michael's. Next, I wanted to do a little organizational project with these 3 drawers, and I thought that I would just include some holiday kitchen towels that I have collected over the years. So I'm just doing kind of like a file folding method over here, and I want all of the towels to have exactly the same folds and be the same size so that they fit perfectly together. This particular Santa towel, as you can see, I'm folding it a little bit different just because I want the eyes to be exactly at the top of the fold. I think that it is important, at least to me, to see exactly what kitchen towel I'm grabbing, and I'm doing different folds for certain towels, but most of them will be just very straightforward and folding them in thirds. These ones over here are just some blingy snowflakes napkin rings. The next drawer is currently my junk drawer, but I decided to move it to the drawer on the left. And right now what I'm doing is just using a Mrs. Meyer pine scented cleaner with a Norwex microfiber just to clean it up real good since it was really dusty. And I'm adding this organizer. It's acrylic from Amazon, and also some of my coffee pots, including these holiday flavored Starbucks coffee. I will also be incorporating some of my favorite tea, including some honey and tea accessories. Lastly, as the last piece of decor, I made a chalkboard sign with some foam board and some chalk. It says hot chocolate, but at the end of the day I decided not to use it, and I simply made a marshmallow wreath with a wreath form and some pretty ribbon, and this is how everything turned out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you liked it and you click the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and please share this video with your friends and family just to give them some holiday cheer and also ideas on how to decorate and make a beautiful hot cocoa station this upcoming Christmas season. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!